So, if you don't have the life that you really want, the business that you really want, the physique that you really want, is because you are hiding yourself from the world. It's because you put other people before your need, your desire, what you are meant to be into the world. So, hey, welcome back to True for Music Podcast. I am your host, Alicia, and today I want to talk about the mindset and really that if you don't see the result as you want in your life in terms of business, physique, your body, your life, your relationship, is because you put other people before your need. And it can be controversial, especially if you are focusing to grow your business. People are telling you in order to grow your business, you need to focus on your dream clients. And for me, that is for that you don't have the result that you really want. It's the same thing when you don't have the body that you really want. People will tell you that, oh, it's because you don't eat healthy, blah, blah, blah. And I will tell you, it's because you are eating your emotion, because you are hiding yourself from the world. So it's more easy to be the same people pleasing for other people than to concentrate to your emotion, start to understand why you don't eat well, start to exercise, start to be accountable from yourself. And something that I realized, because I did the same thing, I was thinking, okay, it's because I am not enough, so I was looking external validation, so I was, let's say, the queen of people pleasing. Since I was child, I understand if I want to have more love, I need to be a good child, a good girl. So what this means is I need to please my parents to say, oh my God, you are so nice and everything. And for the long times, I remember I didn't understand why I need to do a certain way to have some attention. But for example, my brother and my sister don't need to do the same thing to have the same attention. And I am the older. But I feel like it's the same if, for example, a child has this position of the parents and they put so much responsibility because the parents say, oh, you need to be the parent, you need to be the model, you need to do that in order to have the attention because you are the first child, because you know what I mean? It's like, and I feel like I put other people before me, and it caused me to have a lot of problem on my relationship, on my business, and on my body. And for me, it's very important is that I teach with my membership, which is an apologetic cash flow club membership. Why? Because you cannot obtain the result that you want if you don't feel well in your body, in your mind, and in a relationship. And when I say relationship, it's relationship with yourself and with your client. So what I mean is, when I was a child, and this one I think you can relate to, especially if you are listening to me, is because I was taught to be the good girl. So what is mean to be the good girl is you listen to your parents, you have a good grade, you love to go into school, and at the same time you have this parenting, you have the responsibility of the parent, but you don't have child. So you parent your child, it's like you parent your brother and sister like is your child, but you never give birth. And at the end of the day, you have the responsibility that you are not a child anymore, but you are a parent in the body of child. And I didn't see that until that I left my parent place and I was on my own, and I didn't know how to behave by myself, how to be me. And that I see that with all my clients, they don't know who they are. They know that they want to serve. They know, okay, I attract some clients, I have 2K per month, but I don't know what I am blocked, blah, blah, blah. But I can feel in my body that they don't love themselves. They are a people pleaser. They have the saver syndrome. They love to help, but they forget who they are and they forget to self-care. And for me, it's like to grow your business is not about the money. Of course, the money is the spicy stuff. Of course, we want to have the money, but it's more about to become your own true and to fall in love with you and in your business. And in order to do that, you will need to understand is when you decided to start your business, it was not about only the money. And this one is very, and to be clear, it was because at the moment in your journey, you are like, it's enough. I cannot endure anymore. I want to change my personality. I want to have identity shift. It can be, yes, I want to have more money, but maybe you want to be, for example, to have more freedom, to travel the world, and to don't have another boss, or you just want to have more time with your family, and you decided to have a business. I can have more time with me, more time with my family, and more time with my client, and run my business. So you will have a balanced life, and you want just not to have 10k, 50k, 100k, 1 million. As of course is the goal, but it was at the beginning of that. And for me, is that when you only focus, I want to serve the people, I want to be perfect, I want to deliver, over deliver, is good to do that, of course. But the problem when you only do that, you are doing you are doing only the action to don't have clients and to don't have the life that you really want. Let me explain. When you want to grow your business, people are telling you, maybe I need to have the website, maybe I need to have another Photoshop, or maybe I need to have, for example, to run an ad, or maybe I need to rebrand my offer. But the problem is you don't put content for other people that people want to see and meet, and you're telling me, but it's algorithm, so I will put, but I just have to like, or don't share, or I just have 200 view, or I just have 20 view. But I can guarantee you sometime my least performance content is that I have the more grow, the more sale. Why? Because I concentrate not about the data, I concentrate about me and my dream client. And my dream client was me 6 months, 1 year ago, or 2 years ago. And I want to do the parallelism with when you want to lose weight. For example, when you want to lose weight, when you start, you are focusing, I need to find the best diet, I need to buy the super the complement. What is the best complement? Maybe I need to, for example, I need to have the gym clothes, or maybe I need to have the new diet, something like that. But you don't focus to understand why you start to gain weight, and you don't understand, maybe you gain weight because you have a hormonal issue. And you didn't check, for example, the baseline, which is, do I have an hormonal imbalance? Why I started to gain weight? It was because I am a binge eater, emotional eater, or because something else, because maybe you are sick and everything. And when you check that and you say, okay, maybe after that, before to go to the new diet that you run, maybe you decided to change one habit at a time. And people don't want to go just want to have the shortcut and have the end result and don't focus on the journey. And for me, I am not for that. I am for the woman who wants the long run and who they know they dream about the life. When they are child, they are like, oh my God, I want to be a star. And you see all the favorite celebrities that you want. And when you see the celebrity, you see that the journey. For example, if you look, let's say Beyonce, she started to sing when she was child, and she only have the recognition when she was starting the Destiny Child, but at the end of the Destiny Child, and after Why Now, when she's doing Crazy in Love, and Why Now when she's doing the country. And we can look at, for example, also the country. She loves the country, but when she do it, for example, I think it was If I don't say right, you can correct me, you can comment on Substack or here. She started to sing with a famous country star, and people was like, oh, Beyonce is not for you, blah blah blah. And right now she do an album of country, and everybody, almost everybody loves that. I think you can have 100%. You know what I mean? Is like she work on it. So it means that sometimes is not about to have the end result right now. It's more to believe in yourself, work to be who you are, understand what you want, work on this, forget about other people. Say, okay, I am sure she's telling you, oh, okay, this day you're telling me is not enough. You will see one day I will tell you that I will do a country album and I will be on the top of the world and people will love that. And she did that, and you need to have the same way. You say, even if just to have the perfect body, you say, okay, right now maybe I don't have the perfect body, and maybe everybody is joking on me, telling me that I am fat and blah blah blah. You are telling me, okay, maybe I will change one habit at a time, but I know in my heart I will have the dream body. It's the same for your business. Okay, maybe right now I am just blocked to 2 to 3K per month, but I know that my business is an empire. I will build legacy. So for that, I will go to the foundation, invest in myself, even if people tell me that I'm crazy, even if I don't do anything, doing the work, posting every day, even if nobody is watching my content. Why? Because we want to build the momentum. We want to go to the gym and build the muscle. And also is because we believe on us. When we start a business, it was because of us. It was not because of others. Of course, we want to serve other people. And this one, I will don't like that. But for me, it's that it was because at the beginning of your journey, you're telling yourself, it's enough. It's enough. I don't want to have the same life anymore. I don't want to have the same life from my parents, for example, if they are not entrepreneurs. Or I don't want to cheat. It was the same with the relationship. Maybe you always attract toxic people, and when you want to healthy relationship, so you are telling me, okay, I need to understand what is happening in myself, why I attracted this type of people, and maybe it's because I self-abandoned myself. Maybe it's because I don't understand who I am. Maybe it's because I put others before myself. And for that, you need to do the shift. And I can guarantee you, I can see that people can have much result in their life when they understand that they need to understand that you are the one, you are the price, you are the person that, and I can see you in that, I can see your potential that you are the person that you deserve to be. Even if everybody telling you that is not possible. Is it possible? The only limit is the sky. Is not you. It's not your mind. You need to dream big. You need to do the step. And when, for me, that, oh, people tell me, oh, you need to do the big step. No, for me, the big step is to have the same habit every day and stick to it. And I am telling you, you will lose weight. Why? Because you are stick to a bit and you invest in yourself. And don't be ashamed to help, to ask for help. Me, I invest in myself. I believe on coaching. I believe that because people are telling you, oh, you need to have that, you need to have that, you need to have this. You know, oh my God. Me, when I tell to my client, I say, the first thing that you need to do is to invest in yourself. And when I mean investing in yourself is to invest to your content strategy, is to invest in your mindset, is to invest in order you make money, then you can invest to the fancy cameras that you want, the fancy laptop that you want to improve the quality of your content, is to invest in your website, is to, for example, to invest to the team, to the virtual assistant or a community manager. Is First of all, you need to understand every step to grow your business, to have the good strategy, to have people in your world. Then people will buy from you. You don't need to have a bunch of testimonial. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to put ad. You don't need to have, for example, a viral content in order to sell every day. You need to have the perfect content strategy. You need to have a system that bring you lead every day that converts to the sale. And this one is very important. Is not just to have a bunch of people follow you on your social media. It's nice for your ego, but I can guarantee you, more following doesn't mean to have a large amount of dollar or euro in your bank account. I can guarantee you there are a bunch of people right now who have 1,000 followers and are broke. I can guarantee you there are a lot of people who have few followers and make a ton of money. The only difference is they are focusing not about being viral, they are focusing to talk to the right people because they understand who they are and they have the right strategy. So I hope that you love this episode. Don't forget to join the party. Right now we are 20 people in my Substack that can follow and almost reach 100 followers in 1 month. So I hope to increase this month. And don't forget to join the party. The Substack is over there in the description. And don't forget to be your own true and see you for the next episode.